Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the live feature on TikTok without having 1000 followers. Very easy and simple. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Then I want you to click on the lower right on your profile picture. Then I want you to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner. Then I want you to click on settings and privacy. Now guys, I want you to scroll down and click on report a problem. Don't lose your time over here, quick access. Don't lose your time on topics. Don't try to connect with the chat or like AI bot support. Nothing of this will actually help you. You need to do this. Click on submit a report and send TikTok similar message as this one over here. So first of all, you want to make sure that you let TikTok know that you are live streaming already, that you have an audience on other platforms, and you can name some of the platforms. You can say, I'm doing live streams on YouTube, I'm doing live streams on Twitch, I'm doing live streams on X, right? And you want to make sure that you tell them that you do have an audience and you do have a large audience on the other platforms, but you're new to the TikTok platform and you don't post regular posts, you just do live streams. So this is why you need to have the live function. And you're gonna let them know that when they enable you to go live without having the 1000 followers, you're going to bring a lot of people from your other social medias here on TikTok, and you're gonna be live streaming every single day. And this is good for TikTok simply because you're most likely gonna get tips while you're live streaming, and TikTok is going to get its cut, right? So everyone is winning from this. But the main incentive for TikTok to give you this function will only be if you are really going to use it, point number one. And second, you do have already an audience that is coming from different social media. Third point, it's a pro tip. You want to make sure that you tell them that you want to create your main focus and audience here on TikTok, that you want to shift from the other social medias here on TikTok. This will simply give them no choice but simply to grant you the live function, and it will simply pop out on your account. First, they're gonna message you back here, and they're gonna update your account between 5 to 7 days. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.